Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jeremy, and this video will be a Semrush competitor analysis tutorial. So in this video, you will learn how to do competitor analysis in Google Ads. Let's get started. We're going to start at the advertising section of Semrush. You can find it on the left hand side of the screen, advertising research. You need two things here. You need to have your business idea, so you need to know what industry you will work in, and you need to know the domain of your competitors. Let's say that I want to work in the fitness supplement industry. I have the competitor, Optimum Nutrition, and I will enter their URL here on the website. I'll click search, and the first thing I will see is their keyword analysis. If we look at the three metrics here, we see the amount of keywords that they run ads on, the traffic that they generate, and their total cost for the month. We can also see a trend here in the chart, so we can see that their traffic went down a little bit the past days. If we scroll down a bit further, we can see more detail about the keywords that they advertise on. For example, their own brand name, their brand name including a product name, and a misspelling of a very common product that they sell. We can also see their ranking for each of these keywords. For example, their brand name, their position number 1. If we scroll down a bit, for example, a more generic keyword, we can see buy protein, for which they rank number 4. Let's go up again, because we can also check out the total volume of the keywords and their cost per click. So that means the amount of money that Optimum Nutrition has to pay every time somebody uses that keyword to come to their website. If we want to see the costs that our competitors are running, click traffic costs here and you get a graph of their costs per day. So for example, we can see that on October 19th, our competitors spent $8,666 on using Google keywords. So there's two more things I want to highlight. First, I want to go to add copies. To do so, we click add copies here on the screen. And what we can use this for is we can see the advertisement copies that our competitors use. And we can also see the associated keywords. So for example, what we see here is that our competitor advertises quite a lot on their own brand name. Optimum Nutrition, Optimum Nutrition. What we can use this for, we can research the keywords with each ad copy. If we find a keyword that we want to use as well, we can attempt to write a stronger ad copy for that keyword in order to compete with our competitors. There's one more page I want to highlight, and that is the landing pages section of the Semrush dashboard. Let's take a look. To do so, we go to pages, and here we can see the landing pages that Optimum Nutrition or any other competitor of yours redirects their audience to based on their Google ads. We can see the total traffic, the traffic percentage, and the amount of keywords that relate to this page. So for example, 56% of their traffic goes to the top page. We can also look at this in a bit more detail. We can see the amount of keywords they use, the amount of traffic it's generating, and the cost of generating traffic to that landing page. If we scroll down a little bit more, we can see the specific keywords that are being used to redirect people to these landing pages. And we can see that Optimum Nutrition strongly emphasizes their brand name in their keywords. And that was it for this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it was useful to you. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you very much for watching and see you again. Goodbye.